Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make an incline ice-dyed spiral. I'm still experimenting with the incline spirals some. The last one that I made was an inclined hot water irrigation. So let's try it with ice dye. I prepped the shirt the way I normally do, and I have it turned inside out. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the rest of this process, but I'll meet you back at the end for the reveal. So what do you guys think? I have the shirt laid out totally flat, so it looks wider than it really is. Obviously, it's a tiered and ruffled tank top, and it's a fairly thin cotton fabric, so I thought it would be fun to do something like this on. Overall, I really like this shirt. I'm still not entirely sure about the incline on a spiral yet. I mean, I can kind of see over on, like if you're looking at the shirt, over on the left-hand side of the shirt, a little bit where the color has run or moved, which is what I like to see in an incline. I can see a little bit more dye movement in the shirt, but unfortunately the colors that I chose are a little bit dark to see a lot of that movement in. I like the color combination, but overall I chose a pretty dark color palette for this shirt. I still like the shirt and I think it looks really cool, but I'm not quite sure that the inclined ice dye effect really shows through on this particular shirt. But drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Have you tried doing an inclined ice dye with a spiral, or is it just not really worth it with that design? Let me know what you think, and if you enjoyed the video, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day.